Hey there. The first set of data we're going to look at has to do with this kind of a relationship, where I've got some data and I'm going to be looking at the first difference. Comparing the y values, as long as the interval is the same for the x, can sometimes reveal what kind of function we're looking at. So in this case, I can see that each of these x values increases by a constant interval of 3. So I can compare the differences of the y values to see if I have any pattern in the first difference or in the second difference. So let's run down the first differences quickly, see if there's that pattern or not. 10 minus 7 gives me a difference of 3. 13 minus 10, also 3. 16 minus 13, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Since the first difference is the same all the way down the line, I can refer to this as a linear relationship. That means if I were to write an equation that will model taking an input of x and receiving an output from my y column, the best fit is going to be some form of line. Later on we'll look at how to actually get that line, but for now we're looking to compare these differences to see, do I get the same number? Specifically, that number should also not be 0. If I keep getting a 0 in this column, that means that my y hasn't changed. I really don't have much of a relationship. So in order to check for a linear, I'm going to go down the y's, and as long as these intervals are the same, I'm comparing the first difference to see if I keep getting that same constant value.